Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Astha. So today in this video I will be sharing few tips and tricks, few hacks and few things which I have learned over the years while shopping from high street brands. I feel that when you are shopping from high street brands, there are few points that you should keep in mind, because high street brands are overflowing with fast fashion, and you don't want to invest your money in fast fashion because fast fashion goes out of style like that. I mean, if it's in style today, it will be out of style tomorrow, and you will be left with something that you will not wear, and it'll be just kept in your wardrobe without getting your cost per wear. So that is something I keep myself away from, that is fast fashion. I don't indulge in fast fashion. I try not to, at least. But even if I'm shopping from high street brands, I look out for things that has classic style and something that I'll be wearing over the years, and it's not going out of style, and I will get my cost per wear without indulging in a lot of excessive shopping. So that was a little summary of what I'm going to be talking about today. Also, if you are interested in my content, seeing more of my videos, then you can subscribe, help my channel grow, and I would love to have you back on my channel again. You can also follow me on Instagram. There's a direct link in the description bar. I would love to have you there. You can just drop in and say hi, and we can have a chat.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know.